Hi and welcome to Mick's Easy Eats. In this video we'll be making these easy oven baked chicken wings. Let's get into it. So I've been buying these chicken wings from Coles in a 2 kilo bag, about $10 a bag, pretty good value I reckon. So in this video I'll use about half a bag, so about 1 kilo. Now as far as flavouring goes, I'm going to be using this Bullseye Kentucky style habanero with whiskey flavoured hot sauce. Apparently it's supposed to be pretty hot, according to that. I think that's what it means. Anyway, yeah, I'll put that over at the end and see how it goes. Alright, so we cut the end off the wing there. And the best way to do that is try to find the joint, go in between the joint with the knife. You can't always get it, like I'm not getting it. There we go. Very nice. And those ends you can save for, you know, if you want to make some stock or whatever. And yeah, find the next joint along, and there we go. So there's our wings. So we'll do that with all the rest. So again, just feel around in the joint area with the knife. You'll find the center and then slice away. Okay, so there's our chicken wings all cut up. Now I had 8 chicken wings in total, so that'll give me 16 in the tray. Now in a lined baking tray, get your chicken wings in there. And then just spread them out, nice and even. Now since we're using a flavoured hot sauce, I'm not going to go too overboard with flavours, just a bit of salt. And that's it. Then over the top of that, a bit of olive oil spray. Another way would have been to add oil into the bowl that I was using there and mix that up, whichever. Now we can put them on the center rack in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius, just until they start crisping up on top, and then we can turn them and cook them for another 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been about 22 minutes, so time to turn them over. So there we go, they're looking pretty crispy. So I'll just go in and turn all them over. Now back in the oven for about another 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later they're done. Looking nice and golden and crispy, beautiful. Now we can stick them on a plate and add our hot sauce. Now again, I don't know how hot this stuff is, but yeah, I'm going to find out, I guess. And I can tell you that hot sauce is delicious. Gobble gobble. Well, if you got something from the video, found it helpful, leave a like, that'd be great. And subscribe if you want to see more cooking videos. Thanks for watching.